Good morning everyone. This is a good day that we are learning Microsoft Word, and I want us to learn the interface because previously in the presentation I have demonstrated how you open this blank document. So I want us to learn the interface, how you interact with the entire Word interface. First, I would like us to know something here called the quick access toolbar. The quick access toolbar is used to add commands that you frequently use. So you can add commands or remove commands from the quick access toolbar, but by default we have these three commands: save, undo and redo, but you can add commands. So how do you add commands to the quick access toolbar? You click on this button called the more button, then you click on more commands, you click on this more command, then you come to here, you select the command you'd like to add from these common or commonly used commands, and then these are the commands that are on your side, the quick access toolbar. So if you want to add or remove a command, for example, let us start with removing a command. We click on the one we don't want, and then we can remove it from this side by making it close the bridge remove. Now you can add a command again, for example copy. You select the command copy, and then you click on add. If it is added on this column, that means it has been added to your quick access toolbar. So we can also add cut, and then we say okay, and then we go check whether they have been added. So we have the two added commands, so whenever you need them you can get them easily, but mostly we add the ones that are not directly in the ribbon. So what is the ribbon? The ribbon is this part. This is the ribbon. The ribbon is divided into parts, and the parts are the tabs. Easily tabs. That is a tab. This is a tab. So we have home tab, insert tab, file tab, design, etc. Those are tabs. These tabs have some things called groups, categories, groups. So when you click on the home tab, it has its groups, clipboard group, and it is symbolized by this boundary. So clipboard group imefika hapo. Then we have the font group yenye imefika hapo. Paragraph group imefika kwa hii boundary. Styles etc mpaka editing. Different tabs have different groups, so you click on the insert tab to see its groups. So it has pages, it has tables, it has illustrations, kwenda hivyo mpaka symbols. So kila group iko na jina yake ambayo iko katikati. Then in each group we have now commands, exactly what we want to point at. For example, here we have the home tab, clipboard group, we have a command, pastes. Home tab, font group, we have a command, font face. Insert tab, illustrations group, we have a command, shape. So that is it about tabs, groups and commands. I'll be using that to explain what I want you to do. So let that sink, that the categories or the classifications of the ribbon. Then we have these parts. This one is called help. If you want to ask a question from the word, anything concerning word, so you can click on there and seek help, but mostly we find ourselves using Google, so unajikuta you are not using the help given there. Now you can type your question here, or even choose the question from the questions suggested hapa from the frequently used questions. So una type yako hapa na ama unauliza from here. That is the help. Then we have this one, ribbon display options. Now that you know what a ribbon is, you can come here and click on ribbon display options. For example, we have auto hide ribbon. So ukisema hivyo imepotea the entire ribbon. So kama huku umeshika what the ribbon is, now you can tell that what has disappeared is the ribbon. Then we have show tabs. Now you know what the tabs are. So ukisema show tabs, hizo zimekuja ndizo tabs. And then we have show tabs and commands, and this is what we recommend mostly because inatuonyesha the everything that we need. Then we have this other command, minimize huwa ina send something to the background, haijafunga lakini ina disappear kwa screen. Then we have restore down. Restore down, when you click on it, huwa inapunguza the window that we are using, and the same command or the same button changes to something else when it is already restored down, and it juggles between the two. Sasa hapa imekuja ingine, so when you point at it inakwambia maximize, so you click on it na inajaa kwa screen. And finally we have close. For now you want to close the window. When you click on close, ina disappear kabisa. And then we have this other part called the status bar. Inakwambia the status of the document. It is telling us we are in page 1 of 1. And how many words do we have? We have 0 words. If we type something else, it starts showing. For example, now we have two words. So the more you type the number of words, for example, if you have been limited, type this number of words, you can check from the status. Then we have different modes of a document. We have read mode, we have print layout. At now we are at print layout, and when you check at it, it is selected in a way. So if we change the mode, inatuletea kitu tofauti kwa screen. You see how it is appearing? Yeah. Then we can go back to print layout mode, and still we have web layout mode, inakuja kama website. So let us get back to our print layout. Then we have something else here called the zoom scale. If you want something bigger, una zoom out. If you want smaller, you zoom in. So there is zooming out and zooming in. Most of these commands still will get them inside here as we continue. So that is the Microsoft Word interface.